You guys, let's be honest, you guys have all been to that natural hair salon where they try to sneak in relaxer in your shampoo or conditioner. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chidera Steven and you're watching Chidera Steven, where I make videos about natural hair and locks. Today I'm going to tell you why you should ditch your Loctician, or if you've not tried, if you've not started, you should totally just avoid them, like run away. Do you understand? So stay tuned, don't leave this video, like this video, leave a comment and share with your friends. Now to the Loctician video. Number one reason why you should avoid Locticians: they just want your money. I know this might sound obvious, ridiculous, and all of that. I get it. It's a business. They are here for money. They are not here to do charity. But they don't exactly care about your hair. I know. They just want your money. They just want to give you a quote. Pay me this amount and I will do your hair for you. That is it. They don't care about your hair. They just want your money. Okay, I'll try to explain in the African context. Okay, so here in West Africa, Ghana, Nigeria, if you pick about 10 hairdressers, right, you are probably going to find one Loctician amongst them. This is because the lock culture is not all that here. So the Locticians are overpriced, excuse me to say. Yes, they are overpriced. Somebody wants to do like a wash and go for you, or like a retwist, and they'll probably call 30,000 naira, 40k. Do you understand? And then in their defense, Locticians are not a lot. Somebody has said this to me: Locticians are not many. This is the price that we are offering. So yes, that is one thing. So because they are not many, they are not a lot, they are overpriced. They just care about your money. Most of them don't even care about your hair. The second reason, they don't know shit about locks. I know this is supposed to be their jobs, like this is supposed to be the reason they are Locticians, but you guys, let's be honest, you guys have all been to that natural hair salon where they try to sneak in relaxer in your shampoo or conditioner, because to them they feel like it will make your hair more relaxed, more manageable, you know, like stuff like that. Okay, so Locticians are on this table. Most of them don't know anything about locks. You know what, let me even move it to my area. They don't know anything about freeform locks or semi-freeform locks. I remember here in Ghana, I contacted 3 Locticians, 1, 2, 3, when I had build up on my hair. 1, 2, 3, I sent them videos, I sent them pictures, and they were like, okay. One blankly said, oh, I don't know, I can't do this hair. That was the message. I can't do this hair. I was like, but he says you're a professional Loctician. He said, yes, he only deals with tiny locks, like normal locks. I think she's talking about those tiny salon locks or micro locks, because my hair was like way too thick for her and she just didn't understand it. Okay, that was it. Another one. That was one. Then the second one sent me a picture of a cream for eczema. I remember this. I sent it to my friend. I was like, babe, like what's up? Am I missing something? He said I should apply it on my hair and the build up will go. I was like, okay. I went online. This is a skincare thing. Why should I apply it on my hair? Like, what's going on? And the third one, whom I think is the reason for my build up, I don't know if it's the shampoo she used or the conditioner she used on my hair. My hair just had that whitish stuff. So they don't know jack about locks. The ones that even know something, they probably know about those tiny micro locks. So if you want to grow thick, healthy locks, if you want to grow freeform locks, you want to grow semi-freeform locks on your own, you probably do not need the help of Locticians, because they will only confuse you, take your money, and make your hair worse. Yes, I said it. The third point, right? They don't care about your feelings. Yes, I know, it's a salon, it's a job. You're not supposed to care about your customers' feeling, but let's be honest, okay? Hair is very personal to us, especially us women. Hair is like is an attachment to us, okay? Hair is emotional, hair is personal, hair means a lot. What you say about somebody's hair, it sticks. What you say about somebody's appearance, it sticks. People remember these things, okay? So most locticians, they don't care about your hair. Like I'll say, even natural hair salonists or natural hairdressers, they are also on this table. Because I remember a lot of times when I go to the salon, that's when I was even natural, I stopped going to the salon unless I wanted to get braids. Because you will hear a lot of jargons. Omo, this your hair, you too thick, oh. Shey make we rub am small, texturize am, make the thing soft small. This your hair, you thick, oh. You know say we go charge you extra 5k because by the time we do this, our hand go dey pain us. This your hair like this, try to the gel and make it dey come down. They obviously do not care about your feelings. Like the one I went to, the one that did my interlocks, yes, said a lot of BS to me, a lot. Now I think of it, I wonder how I was able to remain calm, coolele, and just, finish that hair. No, mommy, I go elbow you now, you understand? But I'm a calm person in real life, so I kept it all together. No one understands your hair better than you. I said this thing in my natural hair video, right? If you want to grow your hair, if you want your hair to flourish, you want to nurture your hair, right? You need to understand your hair, communicate with your hair. It's just like your body, just like your you need to, get in tune with your hair, okay? So you know when your hair is saying stop, don't do that to me, don't apply that product, I don't like it. You know when your hair is saying yes baby, give this to me, I want this product, okay? They don't know that. When you go to the salon, when you go to the loctician, they're going to use a general product for you. Whether your hair is freeform, whether your hair is semi, whether your hair is micro, whether your hair is sister lock, they will use the same product for all of you because they don't care. It's not their hair, okay? So you know your hair. You know what is best for your hair. You know if you want to do the crochet method. You know if you want to do the retwist. You know if you want to use peppermint oil on your hair and all of that stuff, okay? But they don't know this about your hair, right? You don't need a loctician to grow your hair. I mean, this is very obvious. This is like saying you don't need a natural hairstylist to grow your hair, okay? You don't need nobody to grow your hair, right? If you love your hair, you take care of your hair on your own by yourself. Trust me, your hair is going to glow, grow and glow. Nailed it. So you don't need a loctician to grow your hair. The truth is that most people go to the salon, most people visit the loctician because number one, they probably have a busy schedule, so they want somebody to help them with washing and all that. Number two, they are looking for a tight, stylish retwist, okay? And the truth is that you can do your retwist yourself, but who has time for that? Most people just want, they want somebody to help them with it. So they're not going to the loctician to do anything for them, because remember, in the first place, you started locks because what you want low maintenance hair. And locks are low maintenance hairstyle. You don't have to do a lot. It's not like normal loose natural where you are always at the salon, conditioning, deep condition, trimming, all that stuff, right? With locks, you just go, you probably go once a month or like once in 3 months, okay, depending on what you want. Again, now this brings me to where I would say, please do not interlock your hair every month. But let me not talk, let me not expatiate on that. Number 6, they are probably using a product that would cost build up for you. I know, like I said in my other point, right? They use a general product, right? So they don't care how this product reacts to your hair. They don't even check if this product is good for your hair. You just go to the salon and boom, they use the same product they're going to use for other people's hair on your own hair. You get? So it's like, where is the product with no build up, boo-boo? Where is it? They can make you lose your hair, especially your edges. Yes, I said it. This is not even a hearsay, you guys. This I have been covering this thing very well. It's not, it has grown back. I'll look for a photo and probably post it on my Instagram. Yes, when I went and did my interlock, I noticed that she interlocked this one like it was too tight. It was just too tight. I had to apply hot water on it. Like this part was like really tight, and I lost like a bit of my edges here. See, when you go to the Loctician, you are at a risk of what? Ending up with tight hairstyles, right? And I noticed something with people, because they're coming from the loose natural community, they're so used to tight hairstyles that when they get it on their locks, they think it's normal. They feel it's normal. Like they think your hair should be painful for the first 2 weeks. It's a lie. That's a bad hairstyle, boo boo. That's a terrible hairstyle. One time my friend got her first interlock and she couldn't sleep. I was like, girl, go back to that salon and tell that man to lose that hair before I come there. I didn't exactly say it like that, but it was along that line. You understand? It was along that line. So yeah, you are at a risk of tight hairstyles, okay? Because the idea, people still have this idea that once it's tight, it's neat, you can see your scalp is red, then oof, it's a nice hairstyle. Like, oh my god, girl, you are glowing. You go back home and you can't sleep and you just cut your neck like this for the whole day. No, it's not good. Don't do it, right? And the last but not the least point, Locticians, they don't listen to you. Yeah, I said it. It's just like the tight hairstyle thing, right? You go there for them to do your hair. You are saying, don't use this product. They're like, we use this product for everybody. Boo boo, I'm not everybody. Don't use this product on me. Don't use it. And then after that, they want to style your hair. They want to style your hair so badly, because once they do a hair style and it's not style, you know, it doesn't have like any style, it feels like they've not done anything. So they want to style your hair badly, and then they end up standing so tight. You're like, oh my god, it's tight. And they keep telling you, no, don't worry, it's not tight. It's not tight. Just straighten your neck. It's not tight. Just straighten your neck. It's not tight. They don't listen to you. So now my tips for finding a Loctician: if you've decided that no, you can't do this on your own, you're probably not free-forming, you're not semi-free-forming, you probably want salon manicured locks, find a Loctician that cares about your hair and your feelings. Yes. And there's one word, cancel. In fact, there's one cancel thing that you can do. If you go there and you try to have a conversation with him or her, and you're telling the person what to do, and the person says, no, this is how we do it for all our customers, my dear, just carry your bag and go look for another place. Is that easy? If you go there, you have bad experience, just leave. Like, don't go back there again, okay? But make sure that when you have to work with a Loctician, when you have to use the services of a Loctician, make sure that you are getting what? You are getting value for your money, because you work hard for this money. Imagine giving it to someone that, you know, just doing rubbish on your hair. It doesn't make any sense, right? If you're watching this video, you guys, I launched my podcast. It's new, it's screaming, it's interesting, it's everything that you've ever dreamed of, you guys. So check out my podcast. Chidera is here. It's on Apple, it's on Spotify, it's on Anchor, it's on every podcast platform you can ever think of. Chidera is here. Yeah, follow my podcast and support me. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned a thing or two from this video, please leave a comment. If you want to ask me questions, leave a comment and share your experience with me. Like, have you been to a Loctician ever? Like, will you visit one? Like, who is your best Loctician? Just tell me in the comment section all of this. And again, share this video with your friends. I'll see you in my next video. Stay fabulous. Don't keep my life.